Solid Rock Realtors, Lana Burnley here, and I'm coming to you from my backyard here in Moose Creek, Ontario. I'm excited to actually be standing out here and talking to you about how I can serve you on the board of directors for the next year. Thank you so much for nominating me. I have been in real estate since November 2000. That's when I was officially licensed. And I took a few years off back in 2016, 2017, but I'm so excited to be part of Solid Rock Realty because this is such a unique opportunity for all of us realtors. We're not just realtors here, we are owners, and there's not too many companies where we can say that. And so with this unique opportunity, we have a say in what's going on in the company, where the money is being spent, and how we want to make it even better. Now, trust me, I do not have all the answers. I don't know everything. I'm not even close to knowing everything. And sometimes I'm just winging it. Sometimes I'm getting advice from everybody. Sometimes I'm panicking, saying, oh my gosh, help me. And you'll see that because I'll post on Facebook. I'm not afraid to say I don't know what to do or what does that mean. So I ask questions, and that's the important thing about being on the board of directors, is asking questions and making sure we all understand where we belong and how things are being done. So it's important to me that you understand that you have a say and that I am here to serve you. So, Solid Rockers, how can I serve you? Again, please think about voting for me when you're voting for the board of directors at Solid Rock Realty. I look forward to serving you all. Bye for now.